She sat there on the wooden chair, wondering why she couldn't live freely like she used to. She remembered all the great times she used to have, all the fun, joy, and freedom. A tear escapes her eye. She slowly wipes away her tears with her sleeve, while she traces the shape of trees and bushes blurred by the raindrops on the windows. Flashbacks of the loved ones she used to have passed her eyes. She sat there on the wooden chair wondering why. Through clear old glass, in this cabin of wood, I sit thinking of all the things that could. Light covers all in a single direction as I stare at the same old reflection. Its hands like mine, and so are its eyes. Yet falling like rain, make it looks like it cries. It cries, it woes without a sound. But as I look, I become spellbound. Why are you here? Are you really me? Are you just here to remind me of her? Much time passed since he had gone, and by now I should have moved on. But why can't I conquer my past? Maybe I want those memories to last. Of course I do. They're things I love. The other wish is now up above, with all things close now far long gone. It makes me wonder when I'll move on. Here I am again, sitting with rain. I focus on the glass, on my breath covering reflections, for I know if I think, I'll think of you. And it's exactly why I think of you that I almost started again, didn't I? It comes. It always comes when you don't want it and need it the most. How could have I known? How could I possibly have known? You were pepper spray. Magic is a sham, but I knew. Yes, I knew. Who is a greater fool, huh? The one who gets tricked or the one who knows? But plays along anyway. You are. For the rain is here, but soon it'll stop. And when it stops, my body will drop. I'll stop thinking of you, of us, and finally, it'll just be another rainy day. A bitter rain. I stand outside, cold in the rain. Even though it seems endless, for I must get stronger. The rain slips down my face as I feel my loss. I wish for embrace. Despite our bitter cause, I look into the glass and I see my anguish. Time has passed so fast, I just want to vanish. I want you now. The rain mimics my tears, now and forever. I hold you very dear.